you go to your friend's house or you go to someone's party and you see this Rubik's cube. Okay, so you want to learn how to solve this Rubik's cube. Okay, you do not know, some kid, maybe a kid just comes and just goes and just jumbled it up. Okay, now you are in a mess, you want to solve this Rubik's cube like that. Okay, so how can you do that? Today I will teach you how to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube in 10 minutes. Okay, so within 10 minutes you'll learn how to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So let's get started. So first of all, a Rubik's cube, hold it like this. Okay, so this is the centerpiece, yellow, and it should be on the top. Okay, the centerpiece yellow should be on the top. There are blue centerpiece, red centerpiece, but only the yellow centerpiece on the top. And now these are the edge pieces. Okay, edge piece has just 2 colors in it, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Corner piece has 3 colors in it. Okay, so go and bring the 4 white edge pieces here, 1, and look for another one. Okay, so 1 is here. Okay, so if it's here, just bring it here first. Okay, and do this, and this the second one. Now third one, where is this white edge piece? It's here. So if you do that, we'll spoil this, so just push it away and bring this white edge pieces here. Okay, now 1 2 3, and now the last one, where it is, it's here. Okay, so let's see where it is. Okay, sorry, why can't I see it? Okay, so it's here. Now just do this. This is your first step. Whenever you find a Rubik's cube, just go and find this yellow centerpiece and bring 4 white edge pieces like this. Okay, now look at this color, look at the colors. Okay, so this one edge piece color out here. Now red, go and match it to the centerpiece out here. So just turn it and you can see red and red, it's matched. Okay, so as soon as you match it, just rotate it 180 degree. Okay, so bring it to the bottom of this Rubik's cube. Now next one, orange, just go rotate and find its matching color, matching centerpiece, and rotate it again. We brought it out here. Now the third edge piece, green, so you just matched it, just rotate 180 degree. Now the last one, it's blue, blue is here, so just rotate this way now and do this. Now you form the white cross at the bottom. Remember, yellow is still on the top. Okay, so yellow is still on the top. Now let's go and work on this bottom corner pieces. Okay, so now we'll solve this first layer pretty soon. Now after you go and make a white cross, go and look for a corner piece that contains white in it. Okay, so this corner piece contains white, this contains white, this do not contain white, so we avoid this. This contains white in it. Now look at these 2 colors, green and red. Red centerpiece is here, green centerpiece is here. Okay, so just rotate this upper layer and bring the corner piece that contains white in it just above these 2 colors. Okay, so this red center and green center. Now hold this, keep this way, and do this algorithm, right algorithm. Right algorithm is really easy, it's on the right hand side. Just do this, R, you just learn. Okay, I won't tell you the moves, because if I tell you the moves, you'll start to memorize it. Don't memorize, just continue doing this move until you solve it. Okay, so actually it's called, okay, I'll tell you in another go. Okay, now again find another corner piece that contains white in it, and now you have blue and orange, blue and orange. Now just hold it this way, R U, R prime, U prime. Okay, actually this is called R, this is called U, this is called R prime, this is called U prime. Okay, so you just do this continuously until and unless you solve it. Okay, you have to do it continuously. Now let's go for another corner piece, red and blue. So blue is here, red is here. Now do the right algorithm till you solve it. Okay, now the last one, green and orange. So this is the same for all 4 sides. Okay, so just do the algorithm. Now you just solve the first layer. Congratulations. Now let's go and solve the second layer. Okay, so we have to solve these 4 corners. Now in this case, go and look for the edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so you can see this edge piece, it does not contain yellow, so this contains yellow, so we avoid it. Just find this edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Now this red, go and match it to this color. Now look at this color above, blue is on the left hand side, so we push this away from its center. Okay, now we did the right algorithm, now we'll do the left algorithm once. Left is also similar. Okay, you can see this is L prime, U prime, L, U. Okay, just do it only one time. Now bring it to the right hand side. Now do this only once, the right algorithm. R, I'll just tell right algorithm and left algorithm. You memorize it. Okay, do not, just practice it and you'll learn. Okay, now we solved this one. Okay, now do this for all other sides. Okay, now you can see out here, this contains yellow in it, the edge piece. This do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so again, go and match it to the centerpiece. Look at this color, red. Red is on the left hand side, so we push it away from left, do the left algorithm once, bring it to the right, do the right algorithm once. Okay, just do once only. Okay, now let's go and look for this another edge piece that do not contain yellow. Green is on the left hand side, so push it away, do the left algorithm once, bring it to the right hand side, do the right algorithm once. Now the last one, you can see that in the top layer there is no edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so it's here. So if that happens, just do the right algorithm once, bring it to the left, and do the left algorithm once, and you will bring the edge piece from here to here. Okay, now again the same thing, match it out here. Now blue color here. Now this top color, this blue color, if it was on the left hand side, we had to do this. Okay, but in this case it's on the right, so we just push it away, then do the right algorithm first, bring it to the left, do the left algorithm once. Okay, so now you just solve this second layer. Now the last layer, this one, it's pretty easy to do. Now we need to form the yellow cross out here. Now there are 3 patterns out here, 1 2 3 patterns. Just look. Okay, so this pattern is this one. Okay, so just follow this algorithm. This is the front layer. Okay, so we turn this front layer once 90 degree. Now do the right algorithm and again turn this back. Okay, now this is the second pattern which will be formed. Okay, now sometimes instead of this pattern will already be formed. Okay, so you have to hold the skip this way, not this way. Okay, so do the same algorithm once. This is the 90 degree right algorithm, bring it back. Okay, now this is the third condition. This is the straight line out here. Okay, now do the algorithm again. Okay, so we made this yellow cross. Okay, now just look at this edge piece. Okay, we have to rotate and see if we can find 2 edge pieces that is matched. Okay, so you can see out here red and blue is matched. Okay, so whenever you find a match, just bring one edge piece on the right hand side out here and one on the back side. Okay, the solved edge piece. Okay, and do this formula. Okay, just learn this and just do it out here. If you are confused, do not worry, just go to the link on the description, and if you need coaching or something like that, if you need my help, you can just comment. I'm ready to reply to you. Okay, now we went and solved this edge piece as well. Okay, now all we have to do is solve this 4 corner pieces. Okay, now just look at the corner piece. Okay, so this corner piece is not in, it shouldn't be here. Okay, we need red, blue and yellow in this corner. Okay, so this is also not in its correct place. So when none of the corner pieces are in correct place, just do this formula. Okay, we just did it. Okay, now you can see that this is solved. So the solved one, keep it on the left hand side and do the same algorithm again. Okay, now we have solved everything. Now let's rotate it out here. Now all these 4 corner pieces are in its correct position. Okay, so this is also in its correct position, but only the colors, this orange should be here, blue should be here. Okay, so for that, let's go and just hold it this way and do the right algorithm till you solve it. Okay, so after you solve this one, just bring this another corner piece out here and solve it. Okay, so now we completed this tutorial within 10 minutes. Okay, so in 10 minutes. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I know it became a little bit fast, this tutorial, but if you need any help, you can just comment. And people were asking me fast tutorials. Okay, so if you want to watch my longer videos where I've explained in detail, you can also go and watch them. Okay, and I also provide one-on-one coaching, so I'll leave the link on the description of this video so that it will help you. If you need any help, I'm always there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome.